Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to make a double door. So you can create walls for the example and insert door objects into the wall. Create perspective view and you can see we have this single door, and if you want to create the double door you can select the door object, open, and move into the options. Now you can check for double door only. The next, for general, you can set for width in here. Like I will set into 1200 and click OK. So to be set into the double door. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to make a double door. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.